Tracking storms in eastern Carolina. This is Storm Track 12 meteorologist Dominic Brown.
Well, we hope you enjoyed the sunshine early through the day because now clouds are taking over and so will the showers as we move through tonight. Here's Storm Track 12 live Doppler. No rain to report for you inland at least, but we're picking up on a few showers offshore that are continuing to move to the north and northeast off the coastal waters of Onslow and Carteret County, and now moving into North Carolina along I-95 near the Lumberton area. So some of our far southern and far western counties will likely see rainfall first before we see some more of this activity associated with an area of low pressure to our south lifting to the north with some moisture, and also a cold front to the west that will be working its way in as well. So we're going to be taking threat tracker to the high category late tonight through at least the early part of tomorrow, where we could see some strong to severe weather in the form of some heavy rainfall, downpours, and also an isolated tornado is not out of the question, especially for areas along and east of Highway 17. But once the cold front pushes through the area as we move through late tomorrow, we'll be left with dry and cool, breezy weather for the remainder of the week. So we saw the sunshine. Now we're seeing the clouds kind of taking over our skies, and they will continue to build and thicken. Temperatures now about 75 degrees with an east-southeast wind at 5 miles an hour, and that wind will be growing as well. Here are the clouds moving from south to north. A lot of rainfall in portions of South Carolina and offshore, and they will be moving to the north associated with an area of low pressure. It is not a named storm, so we're not looking at a tropical storm or hurricane, but it has some tropical components, at least with some wind and also some heavy downpours. It will work together with this cold front that's building and moving to the east. As it does so, it's going to help drive some of this tropical moisture as it moves into the area to give us an opportunity for some unsettled weather conditions. The cold front will push through and take this system quickly to the north, and once it does so, the rain will move out of the area. The cold front will move from west to east, and that will drive in some cooler air with some breezy conditions behind the front going into your Thursday into your Friday. So here's Storm Track 12 Futurecast hour by hour, picking up on a little bit of rainfall as it moves mainly from south to north across the area. Otherwise, we'll see cloudy skies, and then we'll see an enhancement with some of these showers and storms. Some of them could be a little strong here and there. The closer that we get to midnight and thereafter, we'll have a likelihood of seeing some severe weather in the area with those isolated tornadoes. So you'll probably want to get that NOAA weather radio handy and keep it on for tonight. As we move through early tomorrow morning, still an opportunity for some showers, but also some holes with some of the rain. So not going to rain all day in one particular spot, but see some of those red colors as we move through the morning and into the early part of the afternoon. Still that threat for maybe some strong storms. And the cold front moves through, giving us an opportunity for a slight chance of showers and storms into the day, but we see decreasing clouds, and then we'll see at least some sunshine and a light at the end of the tunnel for your Thursday and Friday into the weekend. So some isolated showers possible this evening. Then we'll be tracking some storms that could be heavy at times with some lightning, thunder, wind gusts sustained at least 20 to 30 miles an hour. But we could see some gusts out there with 50 to 60 mile per hour winds, and also isolated tornadoes that we've been talking about. And keep in mind that we have a gale warning in effect. So not going to be the best day on the water late tonight and through the day tomorrow as well. Southeast winds at 15 to 20 knots, gusting to 35 knots, then turning from the south at 20 to 30 knots, gusting to 40 knots. So yeah, it's going to be rough on the water, even a high risk for rip currents. The plane forecast for the next 7 days shows you that we're going to be moving through at least with some drier weather, sunny weather, cooler weather with highs into the mid 60s. We'll keep it here, and you need to keep it here for all your severe weather information.